Oh.
Heather's getting her first bath. She's like 2 months old.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
she looks so little. And hopefully she feels real good afterwards. She's being a pretty good girl. She never seen water like this before. She's not trying to get out, is she, honey?
A good girl. No, she do good.
Hopefully she won't scratch or anything afterwards.
I really don't know this horror.
Good, honey. You're doing a good job. We got the heater on right now. We're in the car.
Can I put her inside the bowl?
In the bowl?
Yeah.
No, honey.
Warm.
Yeah. She seems to be okay. She doesn't seem to be shivering or anything. But she does look like she wants to get out. Yeah, make sure you rinse out all that soap, honey. Well, Heather, are you taking a bath? She seems to be okay with it, huh?
Yeah, she good.
Clean out the sink first, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Oh, it's okay.
Doesn't seem to bother her as much, huh?
Yeah, it's okay. You're quite dirty. You're quite nice. Yeah.